Hi everybody, this is CR number 13, helper video number 1. It says which expression is equal to 3 times 5x plus 5 minus 2 times 4x plus 8. Remember, because this is an expression, we are not solving for x. We're just trying to simplify to get it in the shortest version possible. So the first thing we need to do is we need to actually distribute whatever is on the outside of the parentheses to each term on the inside. So I'm going to start with the first set. I'm going to circle the 3, and I'm going to multiply 3 times 5x. Well, a positive times a positive is a positive, which is awesome because it's easy. 3 times 5x is 15x. I'm then going to multiply the 3 times the next term. So 3 times a positive 5 is a positive 15. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to distribute the next set of parentheses. I circle what's right in front of the parentheses, which, do not forget, the sign is a negative 2. And I multiply it by the first term. And a negative times a positive is a negative. 2 times 4x is 8x. Then I multiply a negative 2 times a positive 8. And a negative times a positive is a negative. And 2 times 8 is 16. Now all I have left to do is combine my like terms. Well, I have x's and I have no's. And the greatest thing is that I can go ahead and identify them and put them in the correct column. And then my work is much easier. So I have a 15x and a negative 8x. Do not forget the sign. And for my no's, I have a positive 15 and a negative 16. Well, in the first one, I have more positives than negatives. My answer is my answer is positive. 15 minus 8 is 7. So I have 7 x's. My negatives are 16 and my positives are 15 in my no's. So I have more negatives than positives. And I have 16 negatives, 15 positives. So I have one more negative. So it's 7x minus 1, which matches my answer given. Good luck with that one.